Hi guys, it's Hafizie here. Today I'll be teaching you guys a simple but efficient way on how to track your daily expenses by just using Telegram bot. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hafizie Tarmizi and I am a last year student for EMBA program from UiTM Malaysia. This project is under Service Learning Project for Knowledge Management and Business Intelligence MGT 784 under the supervision of Associate Professor Dr. Norzanah Mat Nor. Before you get started, there are few things that we need to prepare. First, we will be needing a combination of a computer and a smartphone, as we will use them both to configure the board, to store the data, and to communicate with the program. Secondly, we will need a stable internet connection so that we can download applications we need to configure the board and also to synchronize the input from our smartphone to the computer. Lastly, we will need just a tad of willpower to reach to the end. Although we'll be using source code readily available from the internet, there are still few more steps that need to be done before the program is in place and ready to be used. So let's get started. To start, first of all, open up your browser of choice. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type in Master of Coin, Telegram, GitHub and press enter. And then click on the first link that you see and you will be brought to this page. Now, all you have to do is to find this green code button, click on it and download zip. As our source code that we downloaded just now is written in Python format, we will have to download an environment that will allow us to read and run the codes. So to do this, open up a new tab, search for Anaconda Python, click on the individual edition Anaconda, scroll down until you reach Anaconda installers. Then based on the bit version of your Windows, you will need to select either 64-bit or 32-bit. In my case, I am using 64-bit version of Windows, so I'm going to download this one. So once it is downloaded, all you have to do is to run the program and follow the instruction. So now we will need to install a Telegram app for our desktop. So to do this, if you are using Windows 10, just get to the Microsoft Store and find the Telegram application there. It will be named as Telegram Desktop. So once you get to the product page, just click install and follow the instruction and you are good to go. After we downloaded the zip file from GitHub page, we will need to extract the file into folder of our choice. In this case, I'm extracting it into this directory. After that, open up the folder and find the readme file. In this readme file, there will be a step-by-step instructions on how to set up the program. Now we're going to start setting up our bot. First, we need to look for bot father in Telegram and then start the request by using this command. After a series of instructions, if you are successful, we will end up with this message. In this message, the most important part that we would like to use is this token API. We will need to Ctrl+C or copy this token API to move forward. After we get our token API from bot father in Telegram, the next step is to go back to the master of coin folder that we extracted earlier and then locate for coin-bot.py file. Open up the file and if you can see here, there is a line that says API token in bracket the token number. So this is where you are supposed to paste the token number that we received from bot father just now. After we pasted our API token here, don't forget to click File and click Save. Next, we're gonna need to install a dependency that is needed to run the code. For this purpose, you need to get to anaconda-prompt. Just type in anaconda-prompt and press enter. So once it's loaded, all you have to do is to type in pip install py telegram bot API and press enter. The next step is to run the code. So to do this, go to the start menu and look for Jupyter Notebook. Notice that it's actually a package that comes together with the whole Anaconda package. So press enter. So after a while, it's gonna load into your browser and you'll get to this page. In the Jupyter Notebook, after we look back for our master of coin folder, we can now open the coin dashboard.py file. All we have to do here is to press Ctrl A to select all of the codings and press Ctrl C to copy. After that, go to the New button and select Python 3 option. So in here, all you have to do is to Ctrl V to paste all the codings from the code dashboard.py file and press Shift Enter. It will notify down here that the telebot has already started polling. Once you receive this message, that means the bot is already up and running. Now it is the moment that we all have been waiting for. We would like to see how can we use this bot in our everyday life. So to start, we type in this help, and it will show us a range of menus on what are the functions that the bot offers. So for example, if I just finished eating outside and I want to record my spending, I can type in \new and click on food because I wanted to enter in the food categories, and whatever, for example, I put in 100 ringgit, and then you will see that my spending has been recorded, the date and also the time. So let's do the same for other categories as well. For example, that day I am also using Grab to commute to my workplace and back home, and I spent $50 for it. It also says here that my spending has been successfully recorded. So now I want to see how much have I spent for the day. So I put in \show and click day. Here you go. You get the categories and also the amount. Aside from the two functions that I have showed just now, which is the new and show function, there are also other functions like history and also clear. So take your sweet time getting to know your bot and have fun with it. So that's it, folks. We have now reached the end of the tutorial. Hopefully you guys find the tutorial to be helpful and had as much as fun as I did making this tutorial for you guys. Till next time, okay? Bye bye!